Gooch and Housego is a high-end, leading-edge manufacturer of precision light measurement equipment. We make research-grade equipment as well as production line test equipment. The instruments are used for measuring everything from high brightness LEDs to focal plane detectors that are used in night vision imaging systems, automotive and aircraft lighting. So we span the gamut of light measurement applications. One of the most exciting things we've introduced and developed recently is our hyperspectral imager. It's capable of doing something called real-time unmixing. That technique allows a researcher or possibly someone who is doing high-volume diagnostic assays to look at a sample slide of tissue and determine whether or not that tissue is cancerous or benign. I think my favorite part of the job is really the variety of the work. When I come in the morning, my day spans the range from talking to customers and trying to solve their technical problems, coming up with a proposal, reviewing new opportunities, to maybe running into the lab, taking some measurements, working on an article for a technical publication to get published or presented, to working with our engineering team and looking at either developing the method of processing the data or the information to get usable conclusions from it, or helping to design the actual products themselves, whether it be the optic that inputs the light into the instrument or the actual box or software design that might make it useful for a customer to use in the field. I come into work and someone will always invariably that day raise a question that I'm going to have a hard time answering. And while that can be frustrating, it's also kind of invigorating because you don't know where you're going to end up with. And you may end up coming up with a solution that no one's ever come up with. And it may be something that can redefine the trajectory of the company. Or it could be something that's just a really great intellectual curiosity. I think Florida has incredible potential. I believe that in many ways we resemble Northern California before Hewlett-Packard. We're at that tipping point. We have a great place to live, good standard of living, just excellent climate. We have good infrastructure. The economic garden is almost complete. What we need is people to drive it.